Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can properly clear your search history on Instagram. So for example, see if I want to see my search history, I need to click on this I search icon, then click on this search option. These are the search history that I have. So if I want to click it, so for example if I want to close it, so it is closed. So this is not the proper way to clear your search history. So the proper way I'm going to show you. So the proper way is, so you have to click on your profile picture in the downside right side. So click on this option, then click on this three dot icon, then go to account center, then go to this option, your informations and permissions. So then here you will find an option called search history. So here nothing is showing. So if you want to clear your all searches, so for example if I check this option, so for example for me it is 30 days, so I'm going to clear all searches. So then last hour, yesterday, and all time. So I'm going to clear all time search history. So click on all time, then clear all searches. So clearing searches, it has started. Now clear all searches again, all time, clear searches, clearing searches. So the search history has been closed. So now go to the search option again, then click on here, click on see all, then clear all, click on clear all. So empty searches. So your search history has been cleared. So this is the proper way to clear the search history on Instagram. So thank you, thanks for watching, see you in the next video.